Bonjour. Bienvenue à le chapitre 4, Mon année scolaire. In this chapter, we're going to learn about classes, ask for and give opinions, ask others what they need and tell you what you need, inquire about and buy something. We're going to use RE verbs, GER and CER verbs. We're going to learn the days of the week. We're going to learn the months of the year, how to write dates. We're going to make adjectives into nouns, out of nouns, and we're going to do agreement with numbers. Êtes-vous prête? We're going to begin with vocabulaire 1. Vocabulaire 1. Quelle est ta matière préférée? I'm going to go over these quickly, and then you can pause, write the words and what they mean. Feel free to rewind if you've missed something. Okay. Quelle est ta matière préférée? Quelle est ta matière préférée? What is your favorite subject? Matière means subject, préféré is favorite. Notice that it's feminine, choosing ta. So this young lady says, Je préfère la musique. I prefer music. We've also have, Je préfère la chimie, chemistry. Je préfère la biologie, biology. Je préfère la géographie, geography. Je préfère l'histoire, history. This H is silent. The word is also feminine. Je préfère la physique, physics. Je préfère l'informatique, computer science, computer classes, computer programming. Again, pause, rewind, so you can write the words and what they mean. Other classes include les arts plastiques, which is just a basic art class. L'éducation musicale, which is music. This would apply to a choral class. It would apply to band. L'allemand, German. L'espagnol, Spanish. I'll move this one here. Okay, les arts plastiques went right here. Les mathématiques, which is math, and it's going to be here. I'll draw a little arrow for you. Boom. Okay. L'EPS, Education Physique et Sportive, which is PE. In this class, students will do gymnastics, they'll do regular calisthenics, they'll do a little bit of aerobics. Sometimes they'll have a session where they play volleyball or soccer for their PE, but they do have a very good physical education program. I know I didn't list all of the courses that you could possibly take, but there are more on page R10, page R10, in your reference pages in the back. Quelle heure est-il? What time is it? Now, we did a little bit of this in class before we began the chapter. Quelle heure est-il? Il est quelle heure? Both mean what time is it? You answer with il est 3 heures. Il est 3 heures. It is 3 o'clock. Quelle heure est-il? Il est quelle heure?
Evening teachers, Linda Rizzi, please come to the main office. Linda Rizzi to the main office.
Okay, let's try this again. Quelle heure est-il? Il est quelle heure? Il est 1 heure. It is 1 o'clock. So to say your time, you're going to say il est, and for on the hour, you just say that number with the word heure after it. Notice that if it's 3 o'clock, we have an S. If it's 1 o'clock, we do not, because it's only 1 hour as opposed to 3 hours. Quelle heure est-il? il est quelle heure? To say the 30, we're going to say il est 4h30. The et demi means that it is on the 30. It's half past. And that's what the French would usually say. Half past. It's half past 4. Il est 4h30. So if it were 1:30, il est 1h30. 12:30, il est midi et demi. Quelle heure est-il? Il est quelle heure? Il est 4h15. A car is the quarter hour, so it's 15 after. Looks like quart, doesn't it? A quart. Takes 4 of those to make a gallon. So it's a quarter past 10. Il est 4h15, even though this one says 4 o'clock and 15 minutes. Oh well. So if we did it by this clock, il est 10h15. If we change the clock face, we could say il est 4h15. Quelle heure est-il? Il est quelle heure? What time is it? If we have any time after, all we have to do is say il est 10h10. It's 10 after 10. We could say il est 10h05. It's 5 after 10. Il est 10h25. It's 25 after 10. You just put your hour and then put however many minutes after. You don't write the word minutes. Quelle heure est-il? Il est quelle heure? Il est midi, which is noon. Il est minuit, which is midnight. Now we'll use noon and midnight to also talk about the times. It's easier because when we say the word two with air, it becomes il est 10h, which sounds like il est 12h. It's 12 o'clock. So to keep that misunderstanding far from us as we're learning, we're going to use midi for noon, minuit for midnight. Il est midi 18. It's noon 18. It's 18 minutes after 12 noon. Il est minuit 18. It's 18 minutes after midnight. You should be in bed. So to say any time between 1 and 35, just use that number after the word heure. Again, you can pause if you need to write things down. Quelle heure est-il? Il est quelle heure? Il est 6h moins le quart. When you're saying any time between about 20 till and 1 till, what you're going to do is go to the next hour up and subtract that amount of time. For the quarter hour, we use moins le quart. Le quart is the quarter. So it's a quarter till 6. Il est 6h moins le quart. However, if we wanted to do, let me move this, if we wanted to do 20 till, it would be il est 11h moins 20. 20 till, so it's 11 minus 20. And on a clock face, it would actually say 10:40. But let's go with the French way. Over here, quelle heure est-il? Il est quelle heure? Il est 6h moins 5. If it's 5 till, 2 till, 7 till, you just say that number after 1. Il est 6h, it's 5 minutes till 6. Il est 6h moins 5. Now, I move all my little hiding thingies away. It says we would say quarter till 6, and the French do the same by subtracting the quarter hour from 6 o'clock. So from 35 on, the French subtract 5, 10, 22 from the next hour. It's pretty much the same as when we say it's 5 till whatever, or 20 till. It's just a useful little fact, and it keeps you from getting messed up by using the larger numbers, which we're not that comfortable with anyway. Again, you need to pause. Feel free to do so. Write down whatever you need to do. Other words that we might use are du matin. Du matin means in the morning. De l'après-midi, in the afternoon. Du soir, in the evening. À quelle heure? At what time? And you always answer this with à in front of your time. Demain is tomorrow. Aujourd'hui, today. Maintenant means now. La récréation is a break or recess. La sortie is a dismissal. It's a departure. Les devoirs is homework or an assignment. Now, because this has been recorded, you're not going to be able to click on any of these links. However, if you were to jot down the addresses, this will give you some practice with time, including a battleship game, which is always fun. So, especially battleship, it doesn't give the link. But this first one gives you a lot of practice, and it also has someone saying the times, and you get used to hearing it and then trying to connect the dots, pick the correct time. Okay, more with days of the week. Les jours de la semaine, the days of the week, la semaine means week, are lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi, dimanche. Mercredi is glottal, so you got to get that from the back of your throat. We ask the question, quel jour est? C'est quel jour? What day is it? Answer that with c'est. C'est lundi. C'est mercredi. The word aujourd'hui, yes, I know it's funny looking, means today. Le jour means day. Aujourd'hui, today. Le jour, day. Demain, tomorrow. Remember, à demain, see you tomorrow. Semaine, feminine, means week. Les mois de l'année, les mois is the word months. Les mois is singular for month. L'année, une année, year. So les mois de l'année, the months of the year. Janvier, février, mars. Avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. To ask what month it is, quel mois est? C'est quel mois? It means the same thing. To answer either of these questions, you say, and then say the month. Say October. Say November. Say août. How to write dates. It's a simple formula. You put la, you put the number of the day, you put the month, you put the year. Le 28 août, this is kind of old, and then you put the year, comma. Or you could put le and 28.8.08. Here's some important questions. Quelle est la date aujourd'hui? What is the date today? C'est le 28 août. It's the 28th of August. Quelle est la date de ton anniversaire? What's the date of your birthday? Or what's your birth date? C'est le 1er janvier. Anytime you say the first day of the month, you say le premier. So, c'est le 1er janvier. Quelle est la date de Noël? What's the date of Christmas? C'est le 25 décembre. Okay, we're going to pause there. I hope that you have taken the time to pay attention and take some notes. Bonne chance.